Hi everyone, it's Cosmin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a tropical dessert that will put you in a summer mood even on the coldest and gloomiest winter's day. My piña colada cake is refined sugar-free and vegan. It's fragrant, moist, and absolutely delicious. Best of all, super easy to make. In fact, weighing the ingredients takes longer than making the batter. So let's get to it. Start by taking 200 grams of pineapple, you can use fresh or canned, and turn it into a fine puree with a blender. Now add 15 milliliters of lime juice to add a bit of tanginess, but also to keep the pineapple puree from oxidizing. And now add 120 milliliters of fresh pineapple juice. I prefer to do it in 2 additions. And now mix in 60 milliliters of coconut oil. This is what actually keeps the cake moist and tender. In another bowl, sift in your dry ingredients. I'm using 180 grams of spelt flour, 30 grams of coconut flour, some salt, 5 grams of baking powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 100 grams of erythritol. Now pour the wet ingredients over the dry and mix everything with a silicone spatula into a rather wet batter. Put the batter in a greased removable bottom pan and level it with a spatula. Bake the vegan piña colada cake at 170 Celsius for 45 minutes and then do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, it's baked. If not, return it to the oven for 5 more minutes. Let it cool down for half an hour and then remove it from the pan. Slice it when it's at room temperature and serve it on its own or with some Greek yogurt. And as always, I hope you like this recipe and that you'll give it a try. Let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Until next time, Dessertophiles.